to discuss today. Classification of consonant sounds. Okay? Classification of consonant sounds. You know already there are 24 consonant sounds in English. Okay? How many sounds are there? Consonant sounds are 24. Okay? This is not the symbol. If you calculate, there will be 24. This is repeated. This is repeated. Keep it aside. Okay. Now, in first row or the first column, bilabial column, how many sounds are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. These are 4. In second column, these are 2. In third column, 2. In fourth column, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next column, 1. And the next column, 1, 2. This is not the symbol. 3, 4. And the next column, 1. And the next is 3. How many total? 6, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Yes, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 23. Yes, now let's calculate in this manner. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, here one more I must. Yeah, this is 1. 1, 2, 3. These are 3. Okay. So total 24 sounds are there. Okay. 24 consonant sounds are there. Now in this chart, the important thing is that which sound comes under which category. Okay. Before the explanation of this chart, I wanted to tell you that all these 24 are the speech sounds. Okay. Now all these speech sounds are intelligible. Okay. And they are the unit of sound.